how to turn on or turn off adaptive brightness on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on display. From here, we go down and tap on adaptive brightness. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now when you turn off adaptive brightness, there is an extra brightness settings that you can turn off or switch on. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off. Now another way to do it is to swipe down at the top. In here you can see there is a brightness bar. So to quickly use the shortcut from here, you can touch and hold onto that brightness bar. And then from this pop-up menu, you can turn on or turn off the adaptive brightness from this shortcut panel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.